Hi guys, and we'll be back. So yeah, we are just leaving Inverness, and we are on our way to the Isle of Skye. But it's just too beautiful, you know. Whenever we come across something so nice, we just stop off and start filming. And what a nice way of starting the day. So let me take you guys around, show you what I'm looking at. So it's mostly the moss here that I love the most, because we used to buy moss for terrariums, and it used to cost an arm and a leg, and here it's just hanging out on the trees, as you can see. It's like, what? Even on the floor as well. There's moss all over the floor. I think this is carpet moss. And yeah, I just really want to like touch it, you know, like just find a piece and like actually feel it. Let's see, what do we have here? I better be careful here now. Could fall to my... Right, here we go guys. Found a nice piece, check this out. Check this out. This is carpet moss. Yeah, we used to buy this stuff for our terrariums. So for those that don't know, we have a terrarium company. Yeah, this isn't bad moss. It's really nice. Yeah, so we basically we used to buy this moss and sell it as part of our terrarium kits. And if I lived in Scotland, I certainly wouldn't be buying it. I think we bought this about, £8 a tray. And it's free! It's free in Scotland! Oh man, this is unbelievable stuff. Like, this is... Smells of the air. So yeah, there you go. We parked up. Just saw this place. I thought I must stop and just have a look. Oh yeah, check out the river down here. It's cool. So we're just hanging out in the wilderness. This is day one of the NC500. However, the Isle of Skye isn't really part of the NC500, but we're gonna do it first anyway, and then join the NC500 moving clockwise. So today we're spending the day, or rather the night, in Isle of Skye. Oh, it's begun to rain. I think this is one thing we really having to get used to, whereby, you know, it just starts to rain suddenly here, and then in 2 minutes it stops, then in about 20 minutes it starts again and really rains the hell down. But anyway guys, catch you in a bit. I'm gonna jump straight back in the car and drive off to somewhere else. Have officially started the NC500. Yee! Yeah, it's looking great, as you can see. All the landscapes look fantastic. It's brilliant. It's really cool. So we were driving past, as one does, and then we came across this wooded area on the NC500. And I just wanted to have a look at the moss that's all over the floor. It's like everywhere. So we're here to walk on moss, basically, because that's what people do, you know, just randomly stop and walk on moss. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's so nice. Well, I hope there's no bears up there somewhere. Oh, June, doesn't it feel so nice? Oh, there's June, there's this patch that I actually want to walk towards. Do you see that green one there? Yeah, I actually want to walk towards it. That's if we can reach it. There's loads of like I'm not too sure if it's sheep poo. Oh, that's human poo right there. Okay, that's it. I'm not proceeding any further. It clearly looked like human poo to me. That's horrendous, people. At least try and cover it up or something. Don't just leave it, you know, open like that. It's disgusting. But yeah, oh man, these woods are so nice. This is the, what kind of moss was this again? Is this the cushion? Oh yeah, this is the cushion. Yeah. It's grown. Wow. Feels like New Zealand here or something. No? Not that I've ever been to New Zealand. That's where we are. Just look at the mountain range. Hey, is there a waterfall down there? No, it's just a river. Just a river. So there you have it, guys. Just randomly stopped. I had to walk on moss. You know, it's a thing, guys. It's a thing. You know, try it out one day. It feels good. It feels like a really comfy carpet. Yeah. So yeah, off to the next spot now.